Introducing the System 3R262HP compatible leveling adapter macro from Rapid Holding Systems. This high-quality adapter is designed for mounting SuperVice, holders, or fixtures in a Macrosystem. It is adapted for automatic changing and adjustable in 3 axes, ensuring maximum flexibility and precision. With a recommended maximum load of 15 kilograms, it suits various machining needs while maintaining high durability. By integrating the System 3R262HP compatible leveling adapter macro, you can significantly reduce downtime, increase productivity, and achieve precise results. This adapter's compatibility with System 3R does not compromise its quality, ensuring top-notch performance in every operation. Ready to enhance your machining processes? Write to us at the email in the description for more information and to place your order.